How to set up your Kiwibit Wired Cam. Start by scanning the code and downloading the Kiwibit app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app, create your account, and log in to get started. Now, plug the USB cable into the power adapter, connect it to the outlet, and it will power up automatically. When the device turns on, you'll hear a clear ding-dong chime. Launch the Kiwibit app and head to the home screen. In the top right corner, tap the plus symbol to start adding your camera. Choose Add Device from the menu. Before continuing, make sure Bluetooth is switched on for your phone. The app will begin scanning for devices in range. Any unpaired camera will appear on the list. Select your camera, choose a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and type in the password. The app will begin linking the device to your network. After the connection succeeds, assign a custom name, perhaps living room if that's where you plan to mount it. At this point, the setup is finished. You can review Wi-Fi signal strength, follow the placement guide, and then find your new camera listed on the home page of the app, ready for use. If you want to store your video footage locally, you can dig further into the micro SD card storage option. First, get your camera a micro SD card with a capacity of no more than 512 gigabytes. Open the rubber plug on the side of your camera, locate the micro SD card slot and insert the card. You will hear an SD card detected prompt if the card is fully compatible.
SD card detected.
If not, you may need to format the micro SD card. Once the micro SD card is working, you can go to SD card video to see the continuous recording of your camera.